There's one digital product quietly making people thousands of dollars a month, and most of them built it in a single weekend. It's not a course. It's not a physical product. It's a Notion template, and right now, it's one of the fastest moving digital products on the internet. Here's why this one product works when so many side hustles fail. Notion templates require zero coding, zero inventory, and zero shipping. You build the system once inside an app you probably already used, and then you sell access to that exact same file over and over again. Business owners are using these templates to replace messy spreadsheets, manage projects, and track finances. And the demand for ready-made systems is only accelerating in 2026. The numbers behind this are what make it worth paying attention to. On Etsy alone, shops running 50 to 100 well-optimized digital listings are realistically generating between $500 and $2,000 a month in passive income. Push that to 300 or more listings in a high-demand category, and sellers are regularly hitting $3,000 to $8,000 a month. The single niche shops at the very top of the market are clearing $15,000 a month. And every single sale after the first one costs them nothing extra to deliver. So, why does the Notion template specifically beat most other digital products? Because it solves a problem people already feel every single day. Coaches need a client tracking dashboard. Content creators need a content calendar. Small business owners need a profit and task system in one place. Generic planners get ignored. Specific, niche-down systems that feel custom-built are the ones converting into 4-figure, even 5-figure months for sellers right now. Here's the weekend math. You don't need design skills. You build it directly inside Notion using templates and structures you've probably already created for yourself. You duplicate it, clean it up, write a short description explaining exactly who it's for, and you list it on Etsy or Gumroad. One creation, unlimited sales. No client calls, no deadlines, no inventory sitting in your garage. The mistake most people make is building something generic and hoping it sells. The seller's actually hitting 4- and 5-figure months. Pick one very specific buyer, not a planner, but a client management system for freelance photographers. Not a tracker, but a content calendar built specifically for TikTok creators. That specificity is exactly what makes a buyer feel like the product was made for them. And that's what gets repeat sales without you lifting a finger. After launch, once it's live, this product runs while you sleep, while you're at work, and yes, on the weekend, you finally stop trading. Time for money. Build it once, price it right, let it sell on autopilot while you actually get your weekends back.